So most of you have been requesting for words used in the marketplace. So in this video, I brought for you these common words used in the marketplace. Ebigambo ebikolesebwa mu katale. A point to note, market is katale. Market, katale. So words used in the marketplace, ebigambo ebikozesebwa mu katale. Okay, number one we have buy. These are common words. Bino ebigambo ebisinga okozesebwa oba ogenze mu katale. So number one we have buy. Buy. And buy in Luganda tugamba okugula. Okugula. For example, I want to buy sugar. Njagala kugula sukali. So buy is okugula in Luganda. Sell. Sell. Can you repeat that? Sell. Super. Sell is okutunda. Okutunda. I am selling sugar. Ndi kutunda sukali. Sell is okutunda. Number three, we have purchase. Purchase it. Purchase it. For example, purchase it, please. Purchase it. Chigule. Chigule Bambi. So purchase it is also commonly used in the market. Chigule Bambi. Purchase that item. Chigule echintu echo. Okay, number four, we have new. The pen is new. New means chipya. New, chipya. The pen is new. Pen yeyo mpya. So new is chipya. Number five, we have old. So old is the opposite of new. So old. Old in Luganda is chikadde. Can you repeat that? Chikadde. Look at how to combine letters such that you formulate words and sounds. So chikadde. Old, chikadde. Hope we are together. Okay, number six, we have stock. 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 Ebyamaguzi. Ebyamaguzi. At times, stock, they call it goods. Goods. Ebyamaguzi. Stock, or they can be called goods or items. So this means the same. Stock, goods or items. Ebyamaguzi. Ndowooza tuli fenna. Stock, ebyamaguzi, over goods, ebyamaguzi, over items. Any of the names you can choose. Bargain. This is common also. Bargain. Bargain. Bargain is okulamuza. Lamuza Bambi. So bargain is okulamuza. So for example, you bargain towards purchasing an item. Olamuza echintu chogula. For example, the seller tells you it costs 2,000 shillings. And you say, no, for me I have 1,500. So in that case, you are bargaining. Oli mukulamuza no mutunzi. Hope we are together on that. So price, omuwendo. Price, omuwendo. So the price of the item, omuwendo gw'ekintu kyegugula. So price is omuwendo in Luganda. The next we have market prediction. Market prediction. So market prediction is entebereza ya katale. So you predict the prices before going to buy. So you are market predicting. Market prediction. Entebereza ya katale. Agreement. Agreement. Okukkiriziganya. So agreement is okukkiriziganya. You agree on the price and the products that you are purchasing. So agreement is okukkiriziganya. Discount. Discount. So discount is okusalako ku muwendo. Please, I need some discount on this product. Nsalirako ku muwendo. So discount is okusalako ku muwendo. It's discount in English. Customer. Customer. Customer is omuguzi. Omuguzi. Customer, omuguzi. You are my customer, oli muguzi wange. Okay. We have seller. Seller. Seller is chitunzi. 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 Seller is chitunzi. We have market. Market. Market is Akatale, as I've earlier told you. Market, akatale. Akatale is market. 15 we have sheep. Sheep. Sheep is chalaisi. Chalaisi. That cup is very cheap. Ekikopo ekyo chalaisi. So cheap is chalaisi. In Luganda, expensive. Expensive. Expensive is chabei. Chabei. If you say that car is very expensive, emotoka eyo ya bei. So expensive is chabei in Luganda. Okay, those were some common words used in the market. Ebyemu ku bigambo byetasobola kubuusa maaso oba byetasobola kusubwa kwogerako ng'oli mu katale, mainly in Uganda. So once you go to the market in Uganda, you should note out these words such that life becomes very easy for you when you are speaking out Luganda. Okay, let's meet up in the next video. Remember here at BennyBenny2178 we learn English and Luganda with ease. Don't forget to click the subscription button such that we all benefit. Bye bye. And if you do find this video amusing, please do give it a thumbs icon such that I gain more interest in posting more videos like this. Bye bye. Wherever.